Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi Aruna.
Hi Geeta.
We are in a festival season now.
Yes, I'm in a festive mood today.
So you're all going for a shopping? Are you
Oh.
taking care when you're going out for shopping? Please be careful. Okay, you have done your shopping?
No, this time I'm trying to stay at home. I don't want to go and shop anything. Even for which festivals are we going to celebrate now?
Actually, something very interesting is tomorrow, Friendship Day.
Okay.
Tomorrow is a Friendship Day and Monday is a Rakhi.
Okay.
And brothers has to do a shopping for sisters and friends has to do gift shopping for friends. What gifts are you buying for your friends? And brothers, what gifts are you buying for your sisters? Are you ready with the gifts? Friends and brothers? Yes? That's great. Today, let us learn something about colors and days of the week as regular academics. Ready, all of you? Okay. Today, what day? Today is Saturday. So, how many days are there in a week? Saturday comes in which day? Okay. Tell me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Which day? Saturday. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7th is a Saturday. Saturday is a holiday. And you have to go for shopping for tomorrow and for day after tomorrow also. I hope you enjoy all these 2 days. Okay. So let us learn something about the colors. What is this color? Can you identify this color? This is a blue color. This is orange color. This is yellow color, red color, pink color, purple color, and green color. What color dress are you wearing today? I wore a blue color dress and my friend wore a red color dress. This is blue and this is red. See, it's red color and this is blue color. So what color dress are you wearing today? And I have some ice cream sticks. See, when you eat ice creams, don't throw the ice cream sticks. You can color these ice cream sticks and you can play with these ice cream sticks also. My friend is going to teach you how to play with the ice cream sticks. And let us learn something about the color. Can you tell me which is a blue color in this one, my dear? What's that? It's a blue color.
You can play a game using these ice cream sticks. You know, these ice cream sticks are so colorful. Arrange whatever colors you have in your house and the ice cream sticks and try to match them. Okay? I have a
Purple color.
purple. I place it on the purple square. Then comes
Green.
very good.
Where is green here? Where is green here? Here. Is a green.
And then the next color.
It's a blue. Where is blue? Can you tell me where's blue? Over here.
Then comes
That's a pink color. Here we go with the pink color.
the next one.
Orange color. Yellow color.
And the last one.
And it's a red color.
So this way you can match with whatever toy. You must be having some toys or some building blocks in your house. So match your ice cream stick color with your building block colors or with any objects which are colorful. Okay.
See, if you don't have these blocks also, no worries on that. You can cut color papers according to your colors and you can match with ice cream sticks. Okay, that's good. Clap your hands. And tomorrow is a Friendship Day. Let us learn something of Friendship Band, how to do it. So this is something of Friendship Day. This is very easy with the paper we are doing because we can't go out now. So let us learn something with the paper. We have papers at house, so you can do it with papers. I'm doing with a white color paper. This is half paper. Okay, just fold like this. It comes like a triangle shape. And this rest of the piece you need to cut. Please be careful when you're handling scissors. Take a help of grown-ups and make a mark like this. Just make a mark like this and just cut. Zigzag, zigzag. That's it. And we have to stick this corner. We have to stick this corner.
Yes. Actually, this craft was shown to me by a little girl. She taught me very well, and her name is Siddiksha. So thank you, Siddiksha, for sharing your craft idea with me. Thank you.
Okay, so I need to design now this
Yeah,
one.
on the edges, on the corners.
See, this has to be like this. I have put some glue over here, and this corner we need to color.
Yes, all the three sides. You can do
color
whatever design you want
design
to.
or leaves, anything.
Anything.
Either you can do it.
Yeah, I just did some zigzag lines.
I'm going to do a rainbow like this. Like this. You have a sketch pen or a crayon or a color pencil also, it works well. Like this. Next, I know what I have to do.
Start folding it inside out like a hand fan. You have to
Yeah.
start from the top.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. See,
The
from
long
here.
side, yeah.
From here, we have to fold. How we do a hand fan, you remember? A
You
hand
have to,
fan.
yeah,
like
fold it
this.
inside, out, inside out.
Now inside. Now outside. Again inside. Out. See, we are learning something in and out, opposite words in this one. I got it.
You're almost done.
This is how it comes. This is how it comes, and you just need to take a size of your friend hand
And put glue. That's it.
a glue or a rubber band or something, it can work.
Now that you cannot go out and meet your friends, you can make a band for your mother or father, or if you have brother or sister at home.
Even brothers and sisters can
They
be
are
friends.
also your friends.
Yes.
Oh, happy Friendship
happy
Day.
Friendship Day, Aruna.
Oh, this one is for you. Yeah, I'll fix it. Thank you. Happy Friendship Day, Geeta.
Thank you so much. This is my friendship band.
See,
It is
this-
your friendship band.
Yeah, this is so easy to make, and you will enjoy doing this craft. Do
Just,
it.
just with a piece of paper, you can do it.
Yes.
I got it. I got my friendship band.
Happy Friendship Day.
Happy Friendship Day.
Okay, now I have some more, creative ideas using ice cream sticks. You can just buy a bunch of ice cream sticks in any stationery shop. If you already have some at home, that's very good. You can either use them plain or you can even start coloring them. Start making, these are the standing lines, sleeping line, slanting lines. So what do you think you can make using these sleeping lines, standing lines and slanting lines? Yes? What do you think you can make? You can form alphabets. Slanting, slanting, sleeping. Okay, then comes standing line with two curves. We have a letter B. You can also use clay, because when you have to make curves, you need clay, because you can't bend the ice cream stick, it's going to break. You can use clay as well as ice cream sticks. So standing line and two curves, B. What comes after B? The next one is C. And when you're making the letter, try to say the phonic sound. A, B, B, C, K. What comes after C? Letter D. Standing line and one big curve. Okay, then it is E. So this way you can, standing line and three sleeping lines. That's it. So you can make alphabets, then comes F. So this way you can make all the alphabets, all the 26 alphabets of English language, then numbers. You can use clay as well as ice cream sticks. Okay, so are we going to make a Rakhi.
Yes, we have one more activity. Hold on.
Oh no, I just want to add one more thing. Once you are done playing all this and doing all this stuff, what you're supposed to do? Remember to clean up every time. Keep your house neat and tidy.
And
See?
keep your stuff on proper place.
In a proper place, yeah. And see, can I get that box, the green box for the clay? Yes, once you're done playing with clay, always remember to put it in an airtight container so it doesn't dry up. And keep all your
And
toys.
you can use it once again.
Yes, that's reusable. So keep all your toys properly in a very neat and tidy place. Okay?
Okay, children. So what my friend is saying, like, you have to keep your things in a proper place, in the proper boxes. Okay, just don't throw it again. Just don't throw it here and there, and don't give some other work to your mom. Okay.
Okay, now are we going to learn how to make a Rakhi?
Yes.
Okay.
So I already made one beautiful Rakhi, beautiful and simple with a handmade. This is how we made it. I have some stickers. See, this is a wool thread. This is a wool thread. Take a wool thread, and if you have some good stickers in your house, now you just go and buy some stickers in stationery like this. See, I have few things. No need to buy bigger ones or something like this. We can do it. Flowers are there and animals are there. For little brothers, you can do like this one because they enjoy seeing these animals and cute animal faces also. And there are cupcakes over here. This is so pretty. I'm going to do this one. Okay. See, just take this wool thread like this, okay, and fold it. It has to come like this, okay, because you have to put stickers over here in this between, in the middle. Just put like this. Let me take out my stuff here. I'm going to very simple and cute Rakhi. Cupcake Rakhi. I told you you have to, because the design has to come over here. So just fold it like this and put a sticker over here like this. Is it not looking cute? A cupcake. And I have something other glitter things. Stars. This is very simple but looks so beautiful. I'm done with my Rakhi. This is so nice, glittery Rakhi. Just hold it. This is not staying. This is the way. Is it not looking sweet? With a cupcake? Yes.
Is anyone hungry? Hungry for a cupcake?
Yes. So please try something easy and good ones. You can try on your own with using simple things at your house. Okay, we just go to stationery and bring some this kind of stickers like this, and you can make it. Sit at house and do something like this, creative artworks. You will enjoy and you will learn more things from this one. Okay, and happy Friendship Day, happy Rakhi, enjoy, keep safe. Okay, bye bye, see you.
Bye bye.